Do you want to find the range of the rational function in just 5 seconds? Here is a shortcut that saves you from long algebra. In this video, I will show you a super trick to find the range of the functions like f of x is equal to 5x plus 1 by 2x minus 3 without solving it step by step. But don't worry, I will also explain the traditional method at the end. So stay with me. Here is the shortcut. Range of the function of the form f of x is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d, where x is not equal to minus d by c is given by set of reals except a by c. Let us consider the given function, that is f of x is equal to 5x plus 1 by 2x minus 3. Let us compare this with f of x is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d. Clearly, we have a is equal to 5 and c is equal to 2. So, range of this function is nothing but set of reals except a by c means 5 by 2. Here a is 5 and c is 2. So, range is set of reals except 5 by 2. Now, among the given options, right choice is option B. Now let us find the range of the given function by traditional method. To that end, let us take y as the given function, which is 5x plus 1 by 2x minus 3. When we cross multiply, we get y into 2x minus 3 is equal to 5x plus 1. This implies that 2xy minus 3y is equal to 5x plus 1. In turn, this implies 2xy minus 5x, that is, we are taking 5x to left hand side and take this minus 3y to right hand side. So we get 2xy minus 5x is equal to 3y plus 1. We have a common term x here in the left hand side. Let us take x common. That implies x into 2y minus 5 is equal to 3y plus 1. So now this implies that x is equal to 3y plus 1 by 2y minus 5. It is clear that this is defined only when 2y minus 5 is not equal to 0. That implies y is not equal to 5 by 2. Therefore, the range is set of reals except 5 by 2. If this trick helped you, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Try it on other problems and let me know in the comments if you would like more such shortcuts. And don't forget to subscribe for more math tips for JEE, CET and PU board exams.